Section B, 10 marks. We'll ask the 4 questions. You have to answer any 2, each carrying the 10 marks. Investment analysis, fundamental analysis, macroeconomic analysis, industry analysis, company analysis. Unit 4, technical analysis, meaning of technical analysis, fundamental versus technical analysis. This is important. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand security analysis and portfolio management of 6th semester B.Ba in favor of introduction class. What are the contents are? So in the last semester also I told you so this is a good base for the future is considered for MBA is concerned. So I will go through the syllabus now. Then in the next class, I am going to explain. We'll move on to syllabus now. First agenda, syllabus, learning outcome, units, internals, and exam pattern. Then what are the syllabus are? One is Unit 1, Introduction to Investment. Unit 2, Risk and Return Relationship. Unit 3, Fundamental Analysis. Unit 4, Technical Analysis. Unit 5, Portfolio Management. All connected to management. Now, go one by one. Introduction to investment. Introduction to investment. Investment, how to invest the money in the different process. Criteria for investment, types of investors, investment speculation and gambling, elements of investment, investment avenues, factor influencing selection of investment, alternative, security market. Then introduction to functions, secondary market, operation, stock exchanges in India, Security Exchange Board of India, government security market, corporate debt market, and money market instruments. You have to go through detailedly. Then, Unit 2, Risk and Relationship. We are going to explain what do you mean by risk, relationship, meaning of risk, types of risk we are going to deal. Then, measuring of risk, how risk will be measured, risk preference of investor, meaning of return, measure of return, holding period of return, and analyzation of return, expected return, investor's attitude towards risk and return. We'll move on to Unit 3, Fundamental Analysis, Introduction, Investment Analysis, Fundamental Analysis, Macroeconomic Analysis, Industry Analysis, company analysis. Here we are analyzing the investment in different way. One is investment analysis, fundamental analysis, macroeconomic analysis, industry analysis, company analysis. We'll move on to next fourth one. Unit 4, technical analysis, meaning of technical analysis, fundamental versus technical analysis. This is important. Charting techniques, techniques indicators, testing technical trading, rules and evaluation of technical analysis. We are going to explain in detail while you are doing the problem. Number 5, portfolio management framework. We are going to explain what is portfolio, how diversification will be done, analysis, selection and evaluation, meaning of portfolio, reason to hold portfolio, diversification analysis, Markowitz model. This is important. Then assumption, specific model, risk and return optimization, efficient frontier, efficient portfolios, leverage portfolios, corner portfolios, sharp single index model, portfolio evaluation measures, sharp performance index, Trainor's performance index, then Jensen Performance Index. All we are going to deal very detailedly. So totally for internal, we'll keep the 30 marks. First internal, you have got Unit 1 and Unit 2. Then second internal, Unit 3 and Unit 4. Third internal, Unit 5. Maximum marks, final marks will be awarded on the average of a 3 internal. All the 3 internal marks will be added, divided by 3. 60 marks. Part A, we asked 7 questions. You have to answer any 5, each carrying the 2 marks. Then section B, 10 marks. We asked the 4 questions. You have to answer any 2, each carrying the 10 marks. Section C, 15 marks, 4 questions will be asked. You have to answer any 2, 30. Totally, you have to answer for 60 marks. So, totally 40% you have to cover. So, about 35% of 60%, 60% on the 60, you have to calculate 35%. Balance should be scored in the, what's called your internal marks. Totally should be work out 40%, then only you will be considered as a pass. So, books for reference. One is Professor S.P. Gupta, a famous book for this security analysis. Professor Mahesh Chandra, Professor Nandakumar. Any books you can refer, but this is available. Good book. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with the detail. We'll start with the session 1. In the next one coming here, all the details we are going to put. These are all the given only introduction class. Here all the books are available and all the material will be supplied to you. We'll have in the next session, we'll start the unit 1. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.